Like, why would I let him do that, you know, like on a Tuesday? So, you know.
Oh, my bad, dog. I ain't see you there.
That's cool, bro. No worries.
Wait, no.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna let him do that to you?
I mean, yeah, you better watch where you're walking next time, bro.
Excuse me, dog. You say something?
No, just saying that you better watch out next time, dog.
Yeah, dog.
Okay, first off, I ain't your dog. And secondly, you need to check your girl, know what I'm saying?
Well, did he just say he wanted to check me out?
All right, well, I don't understand anything he's saying. Is that what he said?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what he said.
Hey, don't be checking out my cinnamon apple, dog.
Yeah, don't be looking at my peach buns.
What?
Yeah, with the emoji.
Man, hold up, dog. I wasn't checking out your girl. You think I'm some sort of sucker, dog? Do I look like a lollipop to you, dog?
Oh, so you calling my girl ugly?
You calling me a fatty boom fatty?
What?
He said it.
Okay, dog, I don't know what's happening, dog, but I don't really want no problem, know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because you a little bitch.
Yeah, you little crying sissy la.
Man, look at you.
Yeah, but you didn't even brush your teeth.
And I bet you Jordans are fake, man.
Tiptoeing in my fake Jordans.
Dog, these are Converse, dog.
Walking around with your stupid outfit.
Yeah, but I look sexy, though.
Yeah, that shirt got off about a week ago. Okay.
Babe, let me talk to you for a second. Hey.
Baby, you're doing great.
Okay, thanks, but what are you doing?
Not doing anything.
Babe, look, I appreciate everything, really, but I got this, okay?
I'm not even saying anything.
But you are, though. Look, I'm the man. Let me handle this.
But you're not a man. You're a little gushy honey teddy sprinkle.
Look, that's what I'm talking about, okay? You can't be calling me that tutti frutti booty shit in front of him, all right? We gotta be tough.
Yeah, I know, tough, okay.
All right, let's go.
Baby, wait. You got something.
Babe, come on.
Well, that was cute.
About as cute as me whooping your ass.
Yeah.
Well, then do something, dog.
Well, I'm about to do your face with my
Hey,
fist.
brush your teeth.
Oh, shit.
Damn, dog.
I don't know. My little gushy bubble on a pizza.
You poked my heart.